How to add data to Nomad eSIM. Nomad is a company that provides eSIM services, allowing travelers to buy and use mobile data plans in over 200 countries without needing a physical SIM card. Their service is data-only and avoid roaming charges. First, setting up your Nomad eSIM on your Apple or Android device. Then download Nomad eSIM application from Google Play Store or App Store. Log in to your account with email. Then navigate to Shop Plans page from the menu on top. Select your destination country. On their country or region page, you will see a list of data plans. By default, starter packs are displayed, and you can tap Value Pack tab to see more plans if available. Once you've decided on the data plan, click Checkout to move on. For the payment, Nomad supports credit or debit card and PayPal. That's it. Thanks for watching.